Good morning, children. Margaret Miss here. Today we'll start 1.3 chapter. It's a poem. Have you ever seen? Now, in this poem, it's a homograph is here. So, before we start the poem, we'll see what is homograph. What is homograph? Homograph means words that have the same spelling but the meaning is different and sometimes it also sounds different. Okay. Now, example here it is. A rose is the king of flowers. Rose, R-O-S-E, rose. A rose is the king of flowers. And second, the sun rose with a golden glow. Now you see the spelling is same, but the meaning is totally different. One more we'll take here, that my coach will train me how to play, or the coach will come and train you. Next is the train will arrive by 8 a.m. Now train, train, right? The word train it is there, but the spelling is same, but the sound or the meaning is totally different. This is homograph. So we are going to see the poem is totally depend on the homograph. So we are going to see this. Now this poem, have you ever seen? The poet's name is not given. It is anonymous, means the name is not given, and it's a really humorous poem. It will make you laugh. It's very good to hear. It's a really wonderful poem. Okay, so here we go. Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen a sheet on a riverbed? Riverbed means what? Bottom of a river. That is known as riverbed. So, and sheet means bed sheet. Here it is asking, have you ever seen that is sheet on a riverbed? Asking the question. Or a single hair from a hammer's head. Hammer's head means it's a head. Okay, what hammer is? It's a hard piece where you put the hammer. So, or a single hair from a hammer's hair. So, can anybody remove hair, or can anybody see the hair from the hammer's head? Has the foot of a mountain any toes? Now we say foot of a mountain, right? So here it is, and toes. So human body have foot and it has toes, right? So here it is asking, has the foot of a mountain any toes? And is there a pair of garden hose? Hose means what? It's a flexible tube. And another meaning is it is a pair of stockings or tights, that is the socks. Isn't it, where we wear the socks? And is there a pair of garden hose? So he's asking, have you anytime seen garden wearing a socks? Does the needle ever wink its eye? Now he's asking now, needle have eye, right? From where you slit the thread. So does the needle ever wink the eye? What's wink means what? You open and you close your eyes, right? Wink. So saying needle ever, have you seen any time needle closing and opening eye like this? Why doesn't the wing of a building fly? Now wing, if you see we have phases, building phase, A wing, B wing, C wing, right? Wings we call for building A wing, B wing. So he's saying, why doesn't the wing of a building fly? Then when building is having wing, why doesn't the building fly? Can you tickle the ribs of a parasol? Parasol means what here? Umbrella and umbrella. Here it's asking, now what is the meaning of tickle? You know, when you keep your fingers on a small baby's toes or on a stomach and you rub your fingers there, children laugh, right? That is known as tickle, gudguli, hai na? So saying, can you tickle the ribs of a parasol? So can you tickle this umbrella when it has a ribs? Or open the trunk of a tree at all? Or open the trunk. Trunk means what here? Suitcase. Okay, we open the suitcase, right? And trunk, it is the stem also we call for tree, that trunk. So saying, can anybody, have you anytime seen that tree is opening its trunk? Are the teeth of a rat ever going to bite? Now teeth means here prongs. That rat has that teeth, prongs, right? So it's saying, are the teeth of a rat ever going to bite? Now see how how it made you laugh, right? Have the hands of a clock any left or right? Now here it is asking, have the hands. So we human being has hands, right? Now he is asking for clock also we say hand, right? Minute hand, hour hand, second. So he's saying, have the hands of a clock any left or right? Okay. Can the garden plot be deep and dark? Now plot, what meaning here it is? Wicked plan. People make wicked plan, right here. And in this garden, plot is there. That is the piece of land. But here it is asking, can the garden plot be deep and dark? That means in this dark and deep, have you anytime seen garden making a wicked plan? And what is the sound of the bitch bark? Bitch means here what? Tree. Tree. And bark, you all know, dogs bark. So here it is said, and what is the sound of the bitch bark? So what type of sound does the tree make? Yes, I hope you have understood this poem. It's very, very simple, and this full it is total it is homograph, where it has the, where you can see different meaning but the word is same. Okay, now if you see in this, from each poem pick out the words that is homograph. Here it is, and you're going to, in this you're going to find figure of speech also. Now if you see homograph is there, a pun is there, yes, personification is there, alliteration is there. What is the meaning of alliteration? Alliteration means in one single sentence you find the same sound. Like I'll say here, or a single hair from a hammer's head. Now H, first letter of the word, H, H, H. So that is known as alliteration. Okay. Now personification means what? Where the human being's character is given to the non-living thing. Okay. That is known as personification. And what is pun? Pun means when the words with the same spelling or pronunciation are used in such a way that they say more than one meaning. It is known as pun. So what is the same? Phonograph, that is the same pun we use for figure of speech. Right? Here it is given some. Hello, how's life, or hello, it's a strife. So you are going to find from the poem 3 examples of interrogation. Interrogation means asking question, right? It can be question from WH question or from the modal auxiliary verb can, may, this all. Here it is, can you tickle the ribs of a parasol, right? Then has the foot of a mountain any toes, asking the questions. This is interrogative questions, right? Pun also. Does the needle ever wink its eye, or open the trunk of a tree at all? This is the pun. This all you are going to write and you are going to complete this poem. Is it okay? Till then, bye and have a good day.